Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a car dealer license in Maryland. So here you can see 8 steps on getting your dealer license. The first important thing that you should know is you must identify which type of license you really need. So here there are 3 licenses available. First is the new vehicle dealer's license, the used vehicle dealer's license, and wholesale vehicle dealer's license. So it is important to first identify the license that you are looking for so that you can proceed with the application smoothly. The next step is to establish a location for your business. Of course, you cannot run a business properly, especially a car dealership business, without a location for it. You're also going to need those information about your location in filling out some details in your application. Third step is you have to undergo a background check. Anyone with financial stake in dealership will need to undergo a criminal background check in the state of Maryland. So this process is important to be completed through an organization approved by the Maryland State Police. And the next step is to get your trader's license. Basically, this is the permit that is required for selling any goods in Maryland. And of course, that includes car dealerships. The next step is you need to obtain an auto dealer bond and liability insurance. Of course, you're going to need this insurance for the vehicles you sell as well as your workers' compensation insurance. And to prove that you have this, you will be asked to provide an insurance form with your application. So it is important that you have this. Then the next step is to get a site inspection. So the MVA Investigation Division provides site inspections and you will need to show proof via receipt with your application. And the next step is to compile all the required documents. So here you can see list of all the required documents that you have to gather and bring in with you in your application. And the last step is, of course, to submit the application and pay the fees. For 2 year licenses, it will cost you $450. For 2 year dealer tags, $100. And for salesman license, it will cost you $67.5. And here you can also see the address in which you can send your application to. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!